SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, with me Vinita Nautiyal. You people are here again to learn the topic My Body. Students, as you know that we have so many parts in our body. So, in the same way, we are going to learn about them today. So, get ready, open a yearbook and start with me. Students, your chapter number 2, name My Body. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to name the parts of your body and describe the 5 senses. So, get ready. Here, you will see one activity is given that look at the picture and complete the poem. We have to complete one poem with the help of the given picture of a girl who is standing in pink color frock. I have little fingers. How many fingers do we have in our hand? 10 fingers. So we will fill here. I have 10 little fingers and little toes. Little arms. Arms. How many arms do we have? 2 arms. 2 little arms and 1 little nose. Here, 1 little mouth and 2 little ears and 2 little eyes for smiles and for tears. Here, 1 little head and 2 little feet and 1 little chin. And that's me. I am complete. और इसी के साथ मैं complete होती हूँ, है ना? So this is the poem. Right? Now we will learn about the parts of the body. Our body has many parts. Okay? We can do different work using the different parts of our body. हम अपनी body के different parts से different works करते हैं. Okay? So the given picture shows different parts of our body. जो picture यहाँ पर दी हुई है वो आपको different parts के बारे में बताएगी. ये हमारे hairs होते हैं. This one is our head. These are our ears. These are our cheeks. This is our neck. This is our elbow. These are our thighs. This is our leg. This is our knee. These are our 2 hands. Here we have teeth. 1 nose we have here. Eyes we have here. Okay? And with the same only foot. When we will talk about 1 foot, so we will say foot. And if we will talk about both the foot, so we will not speak it foot. We will recall it as feet. Okay? So, these are the parts of our body. Right? Now, let's do it. Write down 2 activity which we do with the following parts of our body. Like what we can do with our hands, you have to write here. We can write, we can hold the things, we can catch the things, we can throw the things. Okay, so many activities that we can do with our hands. And with the same, you have to write here 2 activities that we can do with our feet. With our feet, we can run, we can jump, we can skip. Okay, so you have to write here. Right, students? Here, head. The topmost part of our body is called head. Hair grows on head. This is the topmost part of our body. Okay, और वहाँ पर हमको क्या होते हैं? बहुत सारे hairs होते हैं. Can we count the hairs? No, we cannot count the hairs. Okay, hair grows on head. Here, head पे grow होते हैं. ठीक है? This is our face. Okay, face. The face has different parts such as forehead, eyes, ears, mouth, nose, tongue, teeth, chin, etc. अब हमारे इतने से फेस पे बहुत सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं. आईज वी हैव, वन नोज वी हैव, टीथ, माउथ, cheeks, chin, ears. Okay, so these are the part of our body and forehead as well, right? So these are the part of our body. Okay, now here we have neck, the part which connect the head with the trunk is called the neck. जो पार्ट हमारी बॉडी को हमारे हेड से कनेक्ट करता है वो क्या है हमारा, हमारी नेक. Okay, so this is our chest, and the trunk means the trunk has two main parts. The upper part is called the chest and the lower part is called the abdomen. Okay, so this is our chest and this is our abdomen. Okay, हमारा जो ट्रंक है इसमें टू पार्ट्स जो होते हैं उसको हम अपर पार्ट को बोलते हैं चेस्ट, और जो हमारा लोअर पार्ट होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, एब्डोमेन. राइट, आर्म्स एंड हैंड्स. सो दीज आर आवर आर्म्स एंड दिस इज आवर हैंड. ये हमारे आर्म्स हैं और ये हमारे हैंड्स हैं. ओके, वी ऑल हैव टू आर्म्स. हमारी कितनी आर्म्स होती हैं, टू होती हैं. ठीक है, आर्म्स हेल्प अस टू डू वर्क. आर्म हमारी हेल्प करती है किस चीज में, वर्क करने में. ओके, so these are our arms and hands. Our hand help us to eat, write, throw and carry the things. As I told you before also that with the hands we can eat the things, we can carry the things, we can hold the things and many more activities. As you can see in the given picture also, the boy is eating the food, the boy is pointing in the book, the boy is playing with the ball. Right? So these are the activity that we used to do with our hands only. Legs and feet. We have two legs. How many legs do we have? Two legs. Everybody knows. And legs and feet are used for walking, playing and running. As I told you that our leg used to play, run and skip and jump as well. So as you can see in the given picture. So my dear students, this is the next topic, that is our sense organs. And in the beginning of the chapter I told you that we will learn about the sense organs also. So now we are going to learn it. Sense organ help us to know and feel our surroundings. बच्चे सेंस ऑर्गन्स जो होती हैं वो हमारी हेल्प करती हैं हमारे आसपास की सराउंडिंग्स को जानने में, उसको फील करने में. ओके, सो our we have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5. Okay, they are as follows. वो कौन कौन सी हैं? ये सारी. Eyes हैं and nose, ears, tongues, skin. Right? Now I'm going to tell you the use of these sense organs. Although you also knows, but I'm telling you again. Okay, our eyes help us to see. हमारी eyes किस चीज में help करती है, हमारी देखने में, है ना. Our nose help us to smell. You know, very nice fragrance I can smell. Very bad smell. तो ये सब हम अपनी nose से एनालाइज करते हैं कि हमें स्वीट स्मेल आ रही है या बैड स्मेल आ रही है. ओके, सो दिस इज ईयर. बाय ईयर यू कैन हियर. ओके, and with the tongue you can just analyze the taste of each and everything, and you can speak the words, sentences with the help of your tongue only. Right? Now next is our skin. With the skin we can feel the surroundings only, the changes whatever the going in our surroundings, आस पास होने वाले changes, या फिर हमारे को जब हमको कुछ मतलब अच्छा फील नहीं हो रहा होता है, या मान लीजिए हमको किसी ने कुछ पिंच किया तो वो हमें स्किन पे फील होगा. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द टॉपिक ऑफ योर सेंस ऑर्गन पार्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड विद द सेम ओनली योर चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड नाउ. These are your keyword. Sense organ, the part of our body that have sense, feel करने की sense होती है जिनमें. Skin, the sense organs of our body that help us to feel. Okay. So now this is the sum up of your chapter here. Now we are going to revise it that we can do different work using the different part of our body. हम अपनी body के different parts से different work कर सकते हैं. The topmost part of our body is called the head, and our hand help us to eat, write, throw, catch, hold. Okay. All the activities are not mentioned here, and here they are just telling you to eat, write, throw, and carry the things. Okay. Legs and feet are used for walking, playing, and running. Sense organs help us to know and feel our surroundings. Sense organs हमारी help करते हैं चीज़ों को feel करने में और हमारे surroundings के बारे में analyze करने में. Okay? So with the same, I have finished this chapter, and I hope that you also enjoyed it and understand it. And if there is any doubt, so you can go through with the video again. For today, that's it. In next video, we will meet. Bye-bye.